Platform 1 terminates here. Your attention, please. The 21:16 Stepford Express service to West Wyvern has been cancelled. This is due to a member of the train crew being unavailable.
Welcome on board this Stepford Connect service to Lynn by the Sea.
Does not stop
The
here.
next station
Please
is
stand back from
Leighton
the
City.
platform edge.
We will shortly be arriving at Leighton City. Change here for services to Leighton West. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
And Lynn by the Sea. This train is formed of 5 coaches. Platform 2 for the 21:12 Stepford Express service to Lynn by the Sea. Calling at Lynn by the Sea only. This train is formed of 4 coaches. First class is located at the front of the train.